Hi guys, today we will be playing Rainforest Tower.
'Cause I have nothing else to do.
I hate ladders or whatever this is. This one. Why am I in a bush? Great, more ladders. I'm just going to sped it up, it's boring. Is this a beanstalk? OHNVM. Who was that? Any. I fell. I'm lost. .pls help. There we go. I'm gonna sped it up again. And we are back. Ooh, I can't get up. Yay, more jumping. Fun fact, this is a spinner. It spins. What is this? Let's try and avoid that.
Jump!
Don't tell me what to do.
Oh, he needs some milk.
Don't mess with me. Guys, we are nearly there.
You will not even see it.
SYFM unless you want another whooping.
Oh, 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 oh.
Now shush. AH. I'm dying. Great, even more things to climb on. More jumping. Sped up. N-O-O-O-O-O-O